from Lexis and Company. Today I'll be talking about what is Wakalatnama. Wakalatnama, as we all know, is a written document that is submitted before the court by a lawyer, solicitor, advocate, counsel, declaring that his clients have authorized him to represent them in a legal proceeding. Wakalatnama is also known as Vakil Patra in courtroom terms. Now coming on to the ingredients of Wakalatnama. It must consider the name of the cases in which the advocate has been appointed, the date on which Wakalatnama is being executed, the name of the court and the courts for which the advocate is being appointed, the name of the person authorizing the advocate, signature of the parties, the nature power given to the lawyer, the advocate's address, advocate's signature accepting the Wakalatnama. Now, who can authorize a Wakalatnama? Any affected party or aggrieved person can be eligible to authorize to give a Wakalatnama. Any authorized person can execute the Wakalatnama on the behalf of the company, society or body. Parents can be authorized as a guardian of the minor children. A power of attorney holder of a party can also be eligible to file a Wakalatnama. Not determining the validity of a Wakalatnama. A Wakalatnama is valid until the death of the client, the demise of the lawyer, the client withdraws it, or if a court gives approval for the lawyer to withdraw it, or even in the case of conclusion of the court case. Now, what is the significance of Wakalatnama? The client will agree to advocate's decision which is done on the behalf of the client. Regardless of the outcome of the decision, the client shall not hold the advocate responsible. The client is willing to accept all the charges and cost of the legal proceedings. The advocate has the right to keep the documents until completion of the court fees. If during the trial client wants to change his lawyer, he has the right to do so. The lawyer also has a right to take all the decisions on the beneficiary of the Wakalatnama. How to revoke a Wakalatnama? If a client wishes to revoke, cancel or withdraw his Wakalatnama, he or she may write a letter or email to the previous advocate mentioning the wish to cancel it, ensuring the letter and email is delivered in due amount of time. The Wakalatnama becomes invalid as soon as the advocate acknowledges the receipt, sending a copy of the same letter to one's new advocate, informing the court by filing a copy of the same letter. The copy of the letter must have the original signature. Issue of the Wakalatnama to a new advocate so he or she is able to represent the case in the court.